Siyanibingelela, sizokwenza electrostatics. Ngiyacela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe-a, ni-like, ni-comment. Two identical spherical balls, P and Q, of each of mass 100 grams, are suspended at the same point from the ceiling by means of identical light insulating string. Each ball carries a charge of 250 nanocoulombs. The balls come to rest in the position shown in the diagram below. Now, sinamabhola la. Lamabhola identical ayafana. Since identical ane-charge futhi efanayo. Uball P uno-250 nanocoulombs, noball Q naye ngokunjalo. La okubalulekile-ke okufanele sikunothise ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi ku-paper 1 i-mass must be in kilograms. So since ku-100 grams we must convert, divide by 1000 to shuthi kuzoba 0,1 kilograms. Ngaso sonke isikhathi mase ku-paper 1 sisebenza ngani? Ngama-kilograms, singakukhohlwa lokho. Ama-grams sisebenza ngawo kuphi? Ku-paper 2. So masuka kuma-kilograms siya kuma-grams siya times ngo-1000, masuka kuma-grams siya kuma-kilograms siya divide. Nathi singabamba okukodwa-ke, so siyazi ukuthi okunye kwi-opposite. Okay. In the diagram, the angles between each string and the vertical are the same. Give the reason why the angles are the same. Ingoba the magnitude of the charges are equal. The magnitude of the charges are equal. Now, kuthiwa-ke omunye bengathini? The balls repel each other with the same or identical force of equal magnitude. Ngoba amabhola identical, ama-masses wakhona ayalingana, i-charge futhi iyafana, low positive nalow positive, ne-charge futhi iyalingana. So, ingakho bezoshiyelana ama-angles anjani? Alinganayo. Now, bathi-ke draw the free body diagram not drawn to scale of forces acting on P is shown below. So, basidwebele le free body diagram. Kwesinye isikhathi angeke-ke basidwebele, bazothi asiyidwebe le free body diagram. Kufanele sikwazi ukuyidweba. So nje uyabona ukuthi ngendlela abayidwebe ngayo, uyabona ukuthi nangiya tension T abayishintshanga uma njengoba indlela eme ngayo, bese kuba i-weight yakhe lana Fg, bese kuba ukuthi low positive futhi lo uzobaleka ashonele, ingakho sino Fe eshona le. Uma usuyidrowile le free body diagram, khombisa phela ukuthi laphana u-Fe okuyi-electrostatic force between the two point charges. Loyana u-Fg, loyana i-tension. Since nje kuyintambo ebophele lapha izofika la, so that is a tension. So awukwazi ukudrawa kahle kanje i-free body diagram bese uyishiya ungayiphili amagama, uzoluza amamakhi. Kufanele kuyiphi amagama, ngoba namuhla besidwebelile akusho ukuthi kusasa bazosidwebela, kusasa bazothi siyidwebe. Okay. Ithini Coulomb's law? Uthi the magnitude of the electrostatic force exerted by one point charge Q1 on another point charge Q2 is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Abanye-ke bavele basho enye idilinakhuzana baphambanise. La sikhuluma ngama-charges ubathole sebekhuluma nge-mass, sebekhuluma nge-definition ya-newtons, law of gravitation. Sebe-state leyo definition sebekhuluma ngama-mass. La sikhuluma ngama-charges lawo. Ama-definition alula from grade 11 singawalahla ama-mark ngendlela nje engaqondile. Okay, basiphile-ke la i-free body diagram. Thina-ke bathi asicalculate the magnitude of T tension, and the question is most likely to come out. Okay, so ngamanye amagama badweba u-FE laphaya, badweba u-FG lana. So khona ulayini oqonde kanje laphaya. So kahle kahle shuthi lo line loyana o-parallel to loya line loya. Shuthi le angle la izoba la. Shuthi ngamanye amagama laphana sino 20 degrees laphayana. Ngamanye amagama. Okay. Kubalulekile-ke ukuthi sikwazi ukuyi-draw lento esiyibiza ngokuthi i-force diagram. Sikhipha one of the forces njengoba injalo. Masithanda, okay, masithanda singagcina yona le tension le siyigcine. Shuthi sizothatha lo sombeka laphaya. This is FG u-20 laphaya. Bese sithatha lo sisombeka la. So loyana simbiza ngokuthi FE. So sesine triangle of forces. Kahle sine triangle ehamba kanje. Wonke ama-forces ayalingana. This is a triangle of forces. This is a tension. This is FG. This is FE. Okay. Mase sinale triangle lena. Bafuna u-FT. Noma bafuna u-T. Ukhumbule u-FG ulingana nobani? No-mg. I-mass ubani? ngo-0,1. Ngithi sinikeza u-100 grams. Samdivide ngo-1000 sathola ubani? 0,1 kilograms. Since ku-paper 1 sisebenza ngama-kilograms times 9,8. So lapho kusinikeza 0,9 times 9,8 kuzosinikeza u-0,98 newtons. So sesinayo FG. Sesizofuna manje i-trig ratio ezofaka the adjacent side and the hypotenuse side. Ngamanye amagama laphana sine-angle ubani? Ewu-90 degrees. Okay, esiyithole. So khatha adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos of 20 degrees is equal to adjacent FG hypotenuse T. So singenza njani? Singaswiper. Singabeka u-T laphaya, sibeke u-FG la, sibeke cos of 20 laphaya. So u-FG siyamazi ukuthi ulingana no-0,98 all over cos of 20. Kusinikeza tension lokho. 0,98 over cos of 20. Lokho kusinikeza u-1,0428 newtons. Okay, the distance between the balls P and Q. So sifuna i-distance. Kusho ukuthi kufanele sithole bani kuqala? Kufanele sithole u-FE. the electrostatic force between the 2-point charges. Singamthola u-P. Masithanda singamthola nge-Pythagoras theorem. Masithanda singamsolva vele. Simsolve. So singamsolva ngale ndlela esisolve ngayo ukuthi sithole ubani? U-Fe. So singathi opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So singakhuluma ngo-tan. Sikhulume ngo-tan. Tan of 20 is equal to opposite Fe. Adjacent, opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent Fg. Okusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama Fe, electrostatic force is equal to Fg tan of 20. Fg ubani 0.98 times tan of 20 degrees. So Fe yenizoba ubani-ke 0.98 tan of 20 degrees kuzosinikeza 0.3568 newtons. Okay, ngiyamsula-ke lo. Ngiyamsula. Sesinayo i-electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Bona bafunani? Bafuna i-distance between charge P nobani no-Q. Bafuna nansi distance between laba bobabili. So if sesinayo i-electrostatic force, the force of repulsion between bona bobawu-2, sesingakhona ukusebenzisa le formula ethi F. Sithi Fe is equal to K QP QQ all over R squared. Besitsheniwe ukuthi lo u-250 nanocoulombs nalo u-250 nanocoulombs. Loyana sesimtholile, simthole u-0.3568. Okay, fanele abe u-9 times 10 to the power of 9. Okay, constant. 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Lo unano. Okay, siney'namba eziwu-3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Singisule la. 3, 6, 9, 12. Bese siba 8 micro nano pico. So inamba encane lapha mncane coulomb, inamba encane shuthi times ngo-10 to the power of -3. If sike sanikezwa nje, maybe-ke sithi sinikezwa u-10 la, mhlawumbe u-30 la, mhlawumbe u-40 la, mhlawumbe u-50 laphaya. Shuthi bese sothi 10 times 10 to the power of -3 ngoba inamba encane ncane. Inamba ephezulu laphaya shuthi bese so times ngobani? Bese sothi 50 times 10 to the power of -12 coulombs must convert. Bese kuthi 9 nano 9 bese sothi 40 times 10 to the power of -9 coulombs. Micro-ke sesiyazi vele u-micro times 10 to the power of -6. So asikwazi ukuhlula ukuconvert la, sobe silahla amama. Njengalapha kuno-nano futhi sizothini-ke 250 times 10 to the power of -9. 250 times 10 to the power of -9 again. Now we want the value of R. So sizokwenza njani laphaya? Sizoswiper kanjani? Sothatha loya simuse lapha, sithathe loya simuse lapha. Senzeni kanjalo-ke. So lana sizogcina sino 0.3568. laphana sizogcina sinobani? Sino-r squared. Since sesino-r squared, sifuna u-r thina, sesingafaka square root on both side. So, u-r sizogcina simthole ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So, ukwazi-ke ukushaya i-calculate, uqala nge-square root kuqala, esifaka yonke le nto ngaphansi kwe-square root. Usebenzise nani? Nama-bracket. Ngoba omunye usubstitute kahle bese ehluleka nje ukushaya i-calculate. Omunye asebenzise u-9 o-positive kanti u-9 laphana u-negative. Uma u-convert unano. Mina ngithola u-R elingana no-0,0397 meters. That is the distance R between the two point charges. That was 5 marks.